Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and I'm Charlie, a retired engineer who still tinkers with the latest home comforts. Over the years, I've seen countless heating solutions come and go, but every now and then something catches my curiosity enough to warrant a deeper look. The Könighaus Smart Dual Space Heater is one of those gadgets that promises to blend convenience with a dash of modern flair, and I thought it deserved a proper test in the kind of spaces I spend most of my time. The bedroom, the bathroom, and even the occasional guest room. In this video, I'll walk you through how the unit performed under real-world conditions, highlight the moments that impressed me, and point out the chores that left me reaching for a screwdriver. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. When I first laid eyes on the Könighaus Smart Dual Space Heater, I was immediately drawn to its blend of sleek, white design and the promise of dual functionality. It can sit proudly on a stand or be mounted to the wall, complete with a handy towel rack. At 450 watts, the unit is marketed as a compact, energy-efficient solution, and the built-in Wi-Fi means I can fire up from the comfort of my favorite armchair using a smartphone app or the included remote. The eco mode, temperature readout, and scheduling features give me the kind of control I've grown to expect from modern home gadgets, while the absence of noisy fans keeps the bedroom quiet enough for late-night reading. All of this comes for about $125, a price that feels reasonable for a heater that also doubles as a wall-mounted towel warmer. In practice, I've found a few scenarios where this heater really shines. In my master bedroom, the wall mount saves floor space and the towel rack is perfect for warming a fresh towel after my nightly shower, a small luxury that makes a big difference on a cold winter morning. For my grandson's short visits, I simply set the unit on its stand in the guest room and use the app to turn it on an hour before his arrival, ensuring a gentle welcome heat without having to fumble with switches. I even tried it in a modest camping tent, placing it on a heat-resistant mat. The quiet operation and portable design made it a convenient supplemental heat source when the campsite electricity was reliable, though I quickly learned that a small, well-insulated space is key for it to make a noticeable temperature rise. What I appreciate most about this heater are the quiet operation and the smart controls. The remote works without a hitch, and the app lets me set timers and temperature targets from my couch, which is a blessing when I'm settled with a book and don't want to get up. The sleek, modern look fits nicely into my study without looking like a clunky appliance, and the built-in towel rack add a practical touch that you don't see on most radiators. On the flip side, the installation proved to be a bit of a headache. Mounting the unit required precise screw placement, and the box didn't include a template to guide me, meaning I had to measure twice and drill blind spots. For anyone not comfortable with a drill, the mounting process could be frustrating, and the lack of a clear printed guide makes the whole setup feel less user-friendly than it should be. My everyday experience has been largely positive. I set the heater to eco mode in the bedroom, and it maintains a comfortable warmth without drying out the air, a common complaint with older electric heaters. Using the Wi-Fi schedule, I program it to start warming the room half an hour before I get up, so the bed feels toasty without me having to crank a knob. The absence of fan motor means there's no whirring noise to disturb my sleep, and the temperature display stays dim enough not to glare at night. I've also used a remote to crank up the heat just before a cold snap, and the unit dutifully obeys, delivering a steady, gentle heat that feels safe for my aging joints and those delicate wooden floorboards. When it comes to raw heating power, the 450-watt rating is respectable for a room of around 100 square feet, but it does have its limits. In my larger living area, the heater nudges the temperature up a few degrees over several hours, which is fine for supplementing an existing furnace, but not enough to serve as the sole heat source on a frosty night. Some users have noted that the unit doesn't get scorching hot, which is actually a safety plus for households with grandchildren or pets. On the other hand, if you're hoping for a rapid temperature surge in a bigger space, you'll need to temper expectations or look at a higher wattage model. The eco mode does help curb electricity use, but the trade-off is a slower warm-up period, a compromise that's acceptable if you're not in a hurry for full heat. All in all, the Könighaus Smart Dual Space Heater feels like a well-thought-out addition to a modest-sized home. Its quiet operation, Wi-Fi scheduling, and built-in towel rack make it a versatile companion for bedrooms, bathrooms, and even the occasional camping trip, provided you keep the space small and insulated. The main drawbacks, mounting difficulty and modest heating capacity, are worth noting, especially if you plan to rely on it as your primary heat source or if you're not comfortable with a bit of DIY. For anyone like me who values convenience, safety, and a touch of modern tech without the roar of an old-school heater, it hits the sweet spot. I'd recommend it to fellow retirees looking to add gentle, controllable warmth to a personal nook, while advising large room dwellers to consider a stronger unit or supplement it with additional heating. Well, that's my take on the Könighaus heater. If you found this rundown helpful, give it a thumbs up and tap that subscribe button. Consider it the warm-up before the next review rolls in. Stay cozy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video together again for more honest advice.